Welcome to our new episode of Word Tutorial. In last episode, we have seen the Insert tab. Out of that, Pages and Tables. We have gone in details of tables. If you have not yet seen, then please watch that video from the I button. In today's chapter, we will see illustrations. In the illustration group, you can insert picture, shapes, smart arts, charts that we will see. First one is picture. You can insert a picture from file which is available in your computer. Insert pictures from your computer or other computer that you are connected to. That means you can take from your hard drive or a network drive. Click and insert your picture. You can see that picture has a certain handles. You can reduce or increase the size. If you use the corner points, then the aspect ratio of the picture will remain same. If you use the center button, then increase the width or increase the height of the picture. You can rotate the picture with the mouse. That's the picture layout. With this option, you can choose how your object interacts with the text around it. Presently, if you are trying to move the picture, it is not moving. You can see it is locked. So it is in line with text. It is not moving. Now with text wrapping, we will go with the next option. First option is square. It is allowing to move. Now we are taking it to inside the text. You can see picture is adjusting the text accordingly. The shape is square. To understand the square, let us make the text justified. Now you can see square space is available around the image. You can position that image in other way also. Tight means to have a less space around the image. Another one is top and bottom. What it is doing? It is shifting all text top and bottom. No text in the same line of the image. Behind the text. This way you can keep behind the text. This is most useful to make a watermark. Another option is in front of text. That means text will be behind, your image will be at front. Another beautiful option I will show you in the picture. You can remove the background of a picture. Now see, remove background. What it does? Automatically remove unwanted portion of the picture. Here I want to keep this flower in front and all other things should be deleted. How it can be done? If you click remove background, you can check automatically it has colored the area which is not required. Now we can adjust the size of the picture to remove the unwanted part. Then click keep the changes. So nicely it has been done. You need not to do anything to remove the background. You can even use the crop and reduce the size, the unwanted part of that picture. That picture you can adjust as per your requirement. Now next we will check online pictures. It's very easy to insert a picture through online. I am searching emoji and whatever are my requirement, just click and insert. You can adjust the size of the picture as per your requirement. Wherever you want to place it, you can position as you like. See that how we have managed this in online picture. Next option is draw a shape. You can insert a ready-made shape to your document. There are a lot of shapes available in the list. Within the shape, you can type your letter or text. You can change the shape or text as per your requirement, which we have shown you in the previous episode. This is an oval shape we have inserted. There is a n number of options available to make it suitable for your requirement. Best part of this application is you can make a 3D text or shape which looks beautiful in this document. Now after shape, let us enter some smart art. Smart art helps you to make some beautiful report in the document. You can adjust the size same as the picture you have done. You can select any kind of smart art as per your requirement. Layout option follows same as the picture option which we have seen earlier. To insert a chart, you click this chart icon. You can see the data. By changing the data, you can update the chart. It is very easy to make a chart in Word. Finally, screenshot. You can take a screen clipping like this to your document or any screenshot from the existing application. So with this, we have completed the illustrations. Microsoft Word is an example of operating system, processing device, application software, input device. It's application software. When you use Ctrl+I as a shortcut key to make text bold, to make text italics, to insert a paragraph or to insert a page. To make text italics. Subscript, superscript, outline, emboss, engrave are text effects, word art, clip art or font effects. Font effects. Which of the following is incorrect? File print, file spelling, file save or file open? File spelling. If you have any question, then write to me in the comment section. If you not yet watched previous episode, then please watch the same by clicking the I button. Also, link has been given in the description. I put a lot of effort to make this video for you so that you can learn Word, Excel free of cost. Please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos. Till then, goodbye.